Today's Shinchan adventure covers 3 words.
3 words? Clay, you're so cheap.
Well, that's true, but hang on, I think it's still a good lesson. Let's watch the scene.
ダメ絶対絶対絶対の絶対絶対の絶対絶対の絶対の絶対絶対の絶対の絶対
The 3 words are dame, no or not allowed, zettai, absolutely or no exceptions, and no, a connecting particle like of or possessive in English. Shinchan's mother is forbidding him from doing what he wants. But, being the brave little soldier he is, Shinchan presses on. Zettai means absolutely, or in this context, are you absolutely sure it's not allowed? She responds firmly with zettai, yes, it's absolutely not allowed. Of course, Shinchan isn't satisfied. He needs confirmation. Zettai no zettai? By connecting 2 zettais with no, he is asking, are you sure you are sure? I remember the first year I was in Japan, and on a train I asked a friend how to say, what is the next station? I knew the next station was tsugi no eki. That is, next, modifier or possessive particle, and station. But how would you say next station? My friend said, easy. Tsugi no eki. Just keep piling it on. And just like that, I learned the infinite stacking power of no. You can keep going forever. Tsugi no eki. Or Shinchan style. Zettai no zettai. Are you sure you're sure you're sure? Shinchan's persistence teaches us 2 things. First, never give up, even when it's dame. Number 2, repetition plus no equals endless linguistic fun. Now, watch the clip again and try it yourself. How many zettai can you handle?
ダメ絶対絶対絶対の絶対絶対の絶対絶対の絶対の絶対絶対の絶対の絶対
And so today's lesson is Shinchan's secret weapon, relentless repetition powered by no.